Hello, I would like to check in, please.
Sure. Where are you flying today and which flight number?
I'm flying to Brazil on flight 211.
Sure. May I see your passport?
Here you go. Is flight 211 on time?
Sorry, it's delayed by 30 minutes. Do you have any luggage to check?
Yes, I have 2 suitcases.
Please put your suitcase on the weighing belt. I'm sorry, your suitcase is overweight.
Oh, can I split them and pay extra for the second?
Yes, that will be an additional $50 for the extra weight.
Okay, that's fine. By the way, may I have a window seat, please?
Let me check if a window seat is available.
Okay.
Great! Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is 12, boarding at 3:30 p.m. You're all checked in. Have a pleasant flight.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Sarah Johnson. I work as a customer support executive at Mark Company. I have 2 years of experience in this role.
Where did you find out about this job opportunity?
I found this job opportunity through your company's LinkedIn page.
Do you have computer knowledge?
Yes, I have working knowledge of MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint.
Why do you want to leave your current job?
I've learned a lot there, but now I'm looking for growth and new opportunities.
Are you comfortable with overtime?
Yes, I am flexible when work demands extra time.
Why should we hire you?
I am committed, sincere, and motivated to add value to your team.
How do you handle mistakes?
When I make a mistake, I take responsibility and learn from it.
What are your salary expectations?
I am open to the salary structure offered by the company for this role.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. Could you please explain the key responsibilities of this role?
Thank you for coming. We will inform you soon.
Thank you for your time. I appreciate the opportunity and look forward to your response. Mom, my phone is dead. No internet, no videos, nothing. Sounds like a peaceful day to me. This is not funny. I can't text, scroll, or watch videos. Congratulations, you're officially living in 1995. So, what did people do back then? They talked, they laughed, they survived. Wow, very inspiring. Come on, help me bake the cookies. Cookies without music or reels? We'll make our own music. You sing, I laugh. Okay, this is actually fun. See, real life has no buffering. I forgot how much I like talking to you. And I love seeing your eyes, not the back of your phone. Mom, can we do 1 phone-free day every week? Deal, but you're washing the dishes. Mom, that's not fair. Welcome to real life. My English is really bad.
Why do you think that?
When I try to speak, I first make the sentence in my mind, then I get confused. Sometimes I use the wrong verb form.
That's normal. Everyone thinks before speaking.
But then I say something like, I didn't went instead of I didn't go, and I feel stupid.
That's not stupid. That's learning.
But my mind goes blank sometimes.
Because you're trying to be perfect. Just speak, even if the grammar isn't perfect.
So mistakes are okay?
Mistakes mean you're practicing. Silence means you're not growing.
Okay. From today, I stop overthinking and start speaking.